Hi there, Scott Pohl. I'm a 3-time USBC Eagle champion. And what we're going to show you is how to put your hand in the ball correctly and incorrectly. We're going to give you tips on ways to improve this. Well, let's take a look at first how Adam puts his hand in the ball. First of all, you can see that his hand and fingers are very close together, being a two-handed bowler. If he doesn't do this, a lot of the time what happens, the ball reaction is very weak. So by him having his hands together, he can get a really strong reaction on the bowling ball. Now let's show an example where his fingers on both hands are very spaced out, and this is actually an incorrect way to throw the ball. The result, the ball does not have as much rotation on it, and it misses the head pin to the right. Now here we have Zach, who's a one-handed bowler. So Zach also picks up his ball with two hands. You'll see some people pick it up with one hand. What this causes the bowler to do is actually squeeze the ball very, very early, picking it up off the rack. Pick it up with two hands, then place your fingers in the ball first, thumb last, allows for a much cleaner release. And what he likes to do is always put his fingers in the ball first. We're going to show you, first of all, just a nice easy hand position. He's putting his hand in the ball very simple, without a lot of grip pressure, and throws it nice and simple. There's another way that Zach, being one-handed, can get a little bit stronger reaction on the ball. What he actually does, he tucks his pinky. And usually what this has to happen is he moves his feet further to the left, allowing for a much stronger and overall hook on the ball. Lastly, we're going to show a situation where Zach is going to play a little bit straighter and more end over end. So what he does, he puts his fingers with less turn on it, and his fingers are facing much more even and parallel to the floor. All right, so there you have it. We showed you ways, not only a two-handed bowler, but a one-handed bowler. How you can get your hand in the ball the right way, have good results, get out on the lanes, practice this.